Hello and welcome. I hope you're having a fabulous day. Today we're going to talk about tax-free cryptocurrency. Now, everybody should know, and not everybody does know, that when you buy and sell cryptocurrencies, you may have incurred a taxable event. Now, I want you to know that I'm not a financial advisor and I'm not a tax advisor. This is not financial advice and it is not tax advice. This is my opinion and it's based on some of the things that I've learned from reading stuff on the internet and what I've had to do personally just to deal with some of these things. I'm not smarter than you and you're smarter than you realize. Do not trust what I say. Do your own research. And for tax advice, please seek out a tax person, tax advice from a professional in your country, in wherever it is that you live. So Portugal recently announced that Bitcoin trading and payments are now tax-free. So down here we can see Portugal's tax authority has clarified both cryptocurrency trading and cryptocurrency trading and payments in crypto will not be taxed in the country. Cointelegraph and Espanol reported on August 27th. So if you live in Portugal, this is fantastic news because you don't have to pay income tax, capital gains tax, or even VAT or sales tax when using cryptocurrency. Now, if you're buying something such as a shirt or whatever, then you may have to pay sales tax or VAT tax if you're in the European Union, one of the countries in there. One of the things that makes this most interesting is that this is Portugal, part of the European Union. And with Portugal being part of the European Union, that means that there will be other people who want to take advantage of Portugal's tax-free cryptocurrency tax laws. And so there may actually be some people in the European Union that will relocate to Portugal in order to take advantage of those tax-free dollars. Now this article, this information was reported, the news place I had here is Cointelegraph. This is Yahoo Finance. This is something called the Block Crypto. And so this is being reported by a number of different places out on the internet. And so I think this is also incredibly bullish. It shows us what's happening with the cryptocurrency market. And because cryptocurrency in particular can be used as payments, I'm not sure that it really should be subject to capital gains tax. When can you take a stock such as IBM stock or some other stock and actually trade that stock for a shirt or shoes or an automobile? And so typically with something that's considered a security, it's not something that's also traded for other goods, similar to the way that cryptocurrency is traded for goods and services. As you may or may not be aware, if you have Bitcoin or one of the other major cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum, Litecoin, etc., you can actually buy goods and services. There's over 100,000 different companies out there that today will accept Bitcoin or one of the other major cryptocurrencies in order to buy and sell goods and services. There's also services out there that you can deposit your cryptocurrency and they will give you either a debit card or a credit card, and then you can spend that anywhere that Visa, MasterCard, just depends on what kind of card that you set up with that company, anywhere that those kinds of cards are accepted. And so that literally opens the doors up to millions of vendors that you can actually use for buying and selling cryptocurrency. Now, I just want to throw out one other piece that's my opinion when it comes to buying and selling stuff with cryptocurrency. I have a tendency to not want to do that. I think about the story of the guy who spent 10,000 Bitcoins to buy 2 Domino's pizzas back around 2010, 2011 timeframe. And those 10,000 Bitcoins today are worth like $800 million. So to me, that's a huge incentive not to spend my cryptocurrency to go out and buy baby a new pair of shoes. I'd rather take my dollars and go buy baby a pair of shoes than take my Bitcoin and end up spending $1 million on what could be baby's pair of shoes. So anyway, I think you got the point. I just wanted to share that with you. I thought it was very interesting news. So in the meantime, I hope that you'll like, subscribe, and hodl. Thanks and have a great day.